Hello, everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here, I will show you how to make a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. Creating a balance sheet is a crucial task for anyone involved in managing a small business or diving into the world of accounting. This financial document is like a snapshot of your company's financial health. It shows what you own, what you owe, and the equity you've built up within the organization. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to generate a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online, helping you keep tabs on your financial status with ease. So, let's dive right into the process. The first step to creating your balance sheet is to access your QuickBooks Online account. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to do so to follow along with this video. Once you're ready, click on the Sign In button. After signing in, choose QuickBooks Online from the options available. This will direct you to the site where you can start generating your balance sheet. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. This means typing in your username and password and then hitting the Continue button. If you're worried about security, consider using two-factor authentication. This provides an additional layer of protection to keep your financial data safe and secure. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the section that allows you to generate reports. Head over to the Reports tab. This part of QuickBooks houses a wide array of reports that can be generated. But today, we're focusing specifically on the balance sheet. Once you're in the Reports section, it's time to use the search functionality. Start by typing Balance Sheet into the search bar. QuickBooks will instantly begin filtering the reports to bring up the Balance Sheet option. When you see it in the search results, click on the Balance Sheet link. This action will bring up your balance sheet, a vital financial statement that provides a clear picture of your company's assets, liabilities, and shareholder equity. Now, let's explore the customization options. QuickBooks Online offers you some flexibility here. You can change the reporting period if you need insights for a specific date range or financial year. This is especially useful if you're preparing for quarterly reports or an annual review. Just a few clicks, and you've successfully created and accessed your balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. This financial statement is indeed a powerful tool. It not only helps you understand your business's financial health, but also equips you to make informed decisions moving forward. Remember, getting comfortable with these features might take some practice, but having regular access to your balance sheet is invaluable for monitoring your business's financial well-being. Take the opportunity to explore and get familiar with other reports available in QuickBooks too. That's it for this tutorial on how to make a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.